Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great, and I am going to share the meals that we had for dinner this week, so let's get started. Okay friends, on Monday we had good old reliable or salmon and salad. You all know this is my favorite, so this is what we had for dinner this past Monday. Now for Tuesday, it was all about the fish and chips. There's this place right around the corner that we absolutely love. It's so delicious, and so that is what we had for dinner on Tuesday. So friends, on Wednesday, we had breakfast for dinner. You know, sometimes I like to have a breakfast meal for dinner, especially during the week when Mike and we don't really see each other in the mornings because he's gone when I get up. And so it's great to kind of have that for dinner, and it's also delicious. And so I basically made a breakfast bowl, and I'll put this recipe in this week's newsletter for you. For Thursday, it was all about cordon bleu and salad. So keeping it simple with our salads and getting that in. But then also the cordon bleu is so delicious. And I have a video that I did years ago on this, and so I'll link that below. But it basically is just the chicken wrapped with the cheese and the ham, and it's oh so good. Now for today, friends, it is pizza night. So we're just going to order pizza and call it a day and have a great start to our weekend. So that's what is on the menu plan for tonight. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching what we ate for dinner this week. Also want to remind you that my book is available for pre-order at Amazon.com and BarnesandNoble.com. I'll put the links below. Have a beautiful weekend, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.